Hi guys, wanna check out Little Mix Confetti Acoustic music video. Wanna see what they stay and but I'm glad I'm starting to get back into like reaction. Wait, is Leanne still no, she probably have the baby already, I'm guessing. I'm guessing she probably had the baby already. Ooh, dude, Leanne sounding like Rihanna right now. What the hell? Guys, it's been a while since I reacted to music videos. So I haven't heard their voices in a long time, man. This is crazy. Leon's and they're actually singing raw song right now. So this is their literal voices they're hearing. Mm. Wait, the two of them are, I think Perry is pregnant too, right? Oh damn, I forgot. Yeah, there's two of them are pregnant. Whoa, what the hell? That's crazy. Okay. Confetti. Like confetti. It's so amazing how Leia and Perry are still doing their thing, even though they're pregnant and stuff. They're still performing. So unbelievable, man. Like you have no many ladies that are pregnant. They would even have enough strength to be doing this, going around practicing music, singing same way, performing. But they're still doing it, man. This is actually unbelievable. Unbelievable. Women are great, bruh. Okay, Mariah Carey. Yo. Okay. Like confetti. Like confetti. Damn, okay guys, this is the end of the reaction video. Man, this feels good to actually be starting to react to music video again.